this video, we're going to introduce to you the HP DesignJet L25500 printer series, which uses HP latex inks. The L25500 is ideal for lower volume sign and print shops looking for a single device to produce a mix of high quality indoor and durable outdoor signage. With the L25500, you could print on a wider range of media than with eco-solvent or traditional water-based printing alone. Like other DesignJet printers, the L25500 is easy to use. For example, there's no daily manual maintenance or cleaning. Plus, HP latex inks provide the workplace and environmental advantages of a water-based ink. Let's take a closer look. The HP DesignJet L25500 printer is a 6-color printer, available in 2 sizes to accommodate 60-inch and 42-inch maximum print widths. It can print roll to roll using the take-up reel for long overnight runs, or roll to floor for quick finishing or immediate use. The printer uses water-based HP latex inks and can print on a wide variety of media. Let me show you some of the media and applications. HP latex inks print on most eco-solvent compatible media and achieve print durability comparable to eco-solvent inks. In addition, it can print on some uncoated papers and polyester fabrics that are not compatible with eco-solvent inks. Self-adhesive vinyl for vehicle wraps. Paper for POP posters. Wallpaper for wall coverings and murals. Perforated vinyl for window graphics. Polyester fabric for indoor soft signage. Coated HDPE banner for outdoor signage. Backlit film for light boxes. The prints are odorless and emit extremely low levels of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. No special ventilation is required. The prints are smudge, scratch, and water-resistant on water-resistant media, comparable to eco-solvent inks. The prints achieve outdoor display permanence up to 3 years unlaminated and up to 5 years laminated on a range of media. Unlike solvent and other water-based inks, latex inks do not dry by evaporation into the atmosphere or absorption into the media. The inks instead are cured inside the printer, using 2 radiant heaters and a series of fans. The first heater, located in the top cover and over the print zone, evaporates the water in the ink. The second heater, located in front of the platen, cures the ink to a thin, durable film onto the media. Immediately out of the printer, the prints are dry and ready to finish, laminate, pack, or use. Solvent prints in many cases must be left to dry fully before they can be laminated or finished. You can see here that you will require 2 separate 220-volt power cords to power the printer and its curing system. This printer is ENERGY STAR qualified, which assures that it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines without sacrificing performance or your productivity. Like other HP DesignJet printers, the L25500 is extremely easy to use. All of the functions of this printer are controlled by the front control panel. Simply move down through the 4 main categories to check or change functions, such as Ink for checking status or replacing ink, printheads, or printhead cleaning cartridge. Media for loading and unloading of media and media movement control. Maintenance to manually initiate maintenance and calibration tasks. Setup to view printer information and to change networking and other user settings. When an ink cartridge needs to be replaced, you can see it either here on the front panel or via the computer's embedded web server. To change an ink cartridge, go to the front panel and with the ink icon selected, press OK. Then select Replace Ink Cartridge and remove the appropriate cartridge by pulling out the slider. Each ink cartridge has a capacity of 775 milliliters of ink, which is large enough to allow overnight printing, and is individually keyed to prevent installation into the wrong location. It also has built-in an HP Smart Chip, which identifies to the printer the ink color, the amount of remaining ink, and the warranty information for tracking purposes. One of the benefits is it allows you to swap out a cartridge for a full one to run a large unattended print job overnight, and then replace it again in the morning. To replace the cartridge, simply insert a new cartridge and return the slider into position. The L25500 uses proven HP thermal inkjet printheads to achieve 1200 dpi resolution for high image quality and fine details. The printheads are completely user replaceable within minutes, including a full automatic test and printhead alignment, which means no delay and expense of a service call, more printer uptime, and no special tools or manual adjustments. To access the printheads, go to the front panel and with the ink icon selected, press OK. Then select Replace Printhead. When prompted, open the window and then the top cover. Each printhead uses 2 colors. The printer uses 3 pairs of printheads, 6 in total, to print a double-height swath of 1.7 inches with 6 colors. The empty cartridges and used printheads can be returned through the HP Planet Partners program for free and convenient recycling. Simply go to www.hp.com/recycle to check availability of the program in your location and for details of how to participate. The user-replaceable printhead cleaning cartridge is part of the printer's fully automatic printhead cleaning and testing system, which ensures that the printer is always ready to print, always ready to use. To replace the printhead cleaning cartridge, go to the front panel and with the ink icon selected, press OK. Then select Remove Printhead Cleaning Cartridge. The cartridge provides service station and capping functions for all 6 printheads. Here you can see the printhead caps that are used when the printer is idle, and this is the roll of wiping material that cleans the surface of the printhead. This disposable cartridge has a life of approximately 2,000 prints, and the printer will alert you when it should be replaced. To replace, simply insert a new cartridge and close the access door. At the rear of the printer is the printhead cleaning container, which contains ink used in the maintenance process. This container is replaced when full. The full printhead cleaning container and printhead cleaning cartridge should be disposed of in accordance with your local country guidelines. Note all printer consumables: printhead, ink cartridge, printhead cleaning cartridge, and printhead cleaning container can be tracked from the printer's embedded web server. Accurate media advance is critical for image quality, especially at high print speeds. Inaccurate advance in the media drive system is the prime cause of banding seen in inkjet prints. The HP Optical Media Advance Sensor, or OMAS, enables high productivity at high quality by taking direct measurements of the actual media motion to ensure accurate media advance. The OMAS is a small vision camera system which takes microscopic pictures of the media fibers and compares them as the media moves. This closed-loop system automatically adjusts the media advance to ensure accurate motion to minimize banding even at high print speeds. The L25500 has an I1 spectrophotometer built in, which is located in the front left side of the carriage assembly. It takes measurements of printed color patches and works with an external rip to deliver accurate and consistent color print to print and printer to printer. front-loading design and integrated media loading table make the loading and unloading of heavy media rolls convenient and easy. The motorized take-up reel can be used for unattended printing. Using this switch, you can have the finished prints rolled either print side in or print side out to accommodate finishing. Now I'd like to change the media and show you how easy it is. I will initiate the media unload by lifting the substrate load lever. I could also do this using the printer's control panel. The front panel animation will guide us through the remainder of the unload procedure. The media loading table makes it convenient to tape the end of the supply roll and remove the spindle. To load a roll, we reverse the operation. Using the media load table again, I can insert the media spindle and lock it into position. Now, we will lift the media loading table to ease the media into the printer. From the front panel, I will select the media icon, substrate load, and then load roll. Now, we insert the leading edge of the substrate above this black ribbed roller until you hear the printer beep. Then, wait until the substrate emerges from the printer. On the front panel, we need to select the substrate category of the roll we're loading. The printer will now calibrate the media advance using the Optical Media Advance Sensor, OMAS, and if the automatic cutter is enabled, it will trim the leading edge. If desired, we could enable and load the media on the take-up reel. Or, with practice, this can be done while printing to eliminate the 3 feet of unprinted material needed to load the take-up reel from the start. Of the range of HP media available, several are recyclable. Of these, paper media can be recycled through municipal schemes. HP has also established a free media take-back program to ensure that their PET and HDPE materials can also be easily recycled. Check www.hp.com/recycle to check availability of the program in your location and for details of how to participate. Now, we've seen the benefits of the HP DesignJet L25500 printer and HP latex printing technologies, and we've discussed the printer's components and features. Now, it's time to print. As the printer requires a heating system to print, there's a small warm-up time before printing commences, and a cool-down period before you can open the window to prevent burning. This is shown on the front panel. This printer can be used only with a RIP, raster image processor, and not a printer driver. The printer can be used with a variety of RIPs available on the market today. Our HP DesignJet L25500 has finished printing my file. It's time to say goodbye for now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and explanatory.